it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Malie Donn, Trap House. Yes. Official music video. Let's jump in the one and break down Wagwan. Break down Wagwan. Alright, Trap House, Malie, let's go, bro.
You the ganja?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Yes, sir, no, sir, with the blood clot, yes, sir, boy. Huh?
Yeah, that movie, that one, I bought this one more clot thing, you know that. Third World Cup movie that. If you wanna watch it, go and go watch it, man. Yes. In here the ganja? Yes, sir. No, sir. Yes, sir, no, sir, with the blood clot you talk about, boy. What are you, that name? I'm running again. Skinny, come here. Yo, let's go.
Yes, sir, no, sir, with the blood clot, yes, sir, boy. Huh?
Creative Click, are you shoot that one, MG? Big up yourself, bam. Big up yourself.
India,
Oh, sir, not like
don't tell one is a question. You understand me?
Directed by Chad. Yes. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 record, big up yourself. Automatic record, big up yourself. Produced by Automatic Record, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐶𝐶 record, directed by Chad Henry, and edited by Naka. Big up yourself, big up on yourself. Yeah, man, big up the production team, them, man. What you mean? Let them put in the work, man.
I'm not gonna tell him, say you inform upon him.
Don't tell one is a question, yo. Or else me go tell him, say you inform upon him.
Oh, sir, not like
Yes and no, sir. Yes and no, sir, with the blood clot you talk about, boy.
Don't tell one is a question. You understand me? I'm not gonna tell him, say you inform upon him.
Don't tell one is a question, yo. Or else me go tell him, I'm not gonna tell him, say you inform upon him.
So me give them can. Life short, but he clip them tall.
What him just say? Hold on. Wait.
Them a move on, so me give them can. Life short, but he clip them tall. Them a pray for the six, them fall.
Them a move foul, so me give them can. What? Binds. What a blood clot! Simple but effective. All the dumb, all the biggest idiot must know what I mean by that. Yes, them a move foul, so I give them can. You know, say can pick up foul feeding, make out a can. You know, yeah. Foul feeding, make out a can, foul pick up can. You move foul, you move full, you move lean. So I give you. Alright, let's go. You know what I mean. 6 bars, make up yourself.
Life short, but he clip them tall. Them a pray for the six, them fall. He key a big breeze and I give them stamp.
Life short, but they clip them tall. Them a pray for the six, them fall.
Them a pray for the six, them fall. He key a big breeze and I give them stamp.
He key a big breeze and I give them stamp. Blood clot, big breeze, man, in a them town.
Book up in a killers and I fling them draws. 6'4" when I kill them calm. Every gal them.
Yo, I'm breaking down everything that Malie Donn is saying. All right, I'm gonna break down everything Malie Donn is saying. Get into your breakdown more. Let's go.
Pretty no bitch them want. That's call me buck from Miss Jen Gun. Bad bitch hang on.
Enough sculling buck from Miss Jen Gun.
Pretty no bitch them want. That's call me buck from Miss Jen Gun.
That's calling me buck from Miss Jen Gun. I'm Miss Jen, I'm still a thief.
Bitch hang out, I want chatos. Chat 100 grand out, I want account. Look up Bumbo, all the love chat out.
That one a grimy. That one a bad. Look on the G, them run the so with it. Tall thing them. Look on the moms, them over here, so sit down well, cock up.
Strike a hell yes, one chop out.
Every teeth in our mouth I get knocked out, man. Gummy beer. Blood clot, you hear?
Me bump clock gun, me nah cap up. One sitting alone, me want announce. Shut any pussy for my dog, me nah rat up.
Shot any pussy for me, dog. Nah, rat out, brother. No, we not snitch. Shot them blood clot, man. Shot them, brother. You know what thing, man. I'm gonna follow him. See that. Come back.
You never know so the minicate rifle for any situation.
You never know so the minicate rifle for any situation. Rifle clear the way, man. Rifle clear the way, man. Any situation, man. Any obstacles, man. Know that.
Asazo bringing medication from a latency. I wait on how we can.
Bringing medication from latency. Whoa, now wait, fan. How would that me just say a while ago? Grim? Big up yourself for you, that Grim. I never said the face goods. Big up yourself, my chill.
All back to go back up here and Jigga walk with the devil like him a Satan.
Jigga walk with the duffel like him a Satan.
They know me fi fear man when I bring it here pan.
Oh, me fi fear man when me bring care pan. So the AK have a pan magazine tonight. A lot of them talk about right there. So if you don't know. I'm sure say I don't know still.
And Chipotle, but we flick out a account a reporter. Scholar Minnesota.
Humble clad, the boss chipping second gear and no. Second gear.
And Chipotle, but we flick out a account a reporter.
Dark and Chipotle, but we flick out a account a quarter.
Scholar Minnesota, rifle shot crack them skull brain a flick out a head.
Rifle shot and them skull brain a flick out a. Me a break down, you know. Me a break down.
Call me Guna, reach out again. Your girl don't hot gear a 6 out of 10.
Average.
Average. Your girl not hot, brother. Your girl warm. Lukewarm. Get a 6 out of 10, not even 7. She average. Your girl average, brother. So stop going like say, yo. Yeah. Your pirate's dish. And my basin. So stop going like stop here, you know what I mean?
But me still fuck it and bitch out the friend. And any girl feel them can run my program 6 bad bitch hang out a one.
Even though she has 6, me still fuck it and bitch out her friend, brother. Me still fuck it and bitch out her friend cause she average. Not partial nothing. No.
Chappos, drag 100 grand out a one account. Look up Bamba, all the love chat out.
When I'm saying drag 100 grand out of one account, I'm in the wrong job. I am in the wrong work.
Every teeth in the mouth I get knocked out. Strike a hell gate, swag one chop out. Boss me.
Yo, big up the system.
Bumbo clock on me now cap out. One sitting alone me want announce. Shot any pussy from my dog me now rat out.
Shot any pussy from them talk, we not rat out. Yo, production team, big up on yourself. That one is bad.
No, them must say them bad. You never know so they minicate and right for any situation.
Oh, no, sound bad. Oh, no, yeah, you know bad for true. Bad mind. Bad mind.
Asazo bringing medication from a latency. You know them must say them bad.
It's a Grim YG, big up yourself, Grim.
All back to go back up here and Jigga walk with the devil like him a Satan.
Yeah, man, all back to pain land. Big up the wall cut, big up the wall place.
They know me fi fear man when I bring it here pan. They know them a say them bad.
Oh, them a say them bad. Yeah, man. CG them, man, on the phone scream. CG them from the phone scream. On the phone scream.
You know them a say them bad.
They know them.
West Bank Records. Okay. Is he signed to West Bank Records? Why is he wearing a chain? To West Bank Records. Is he signed to West Bank? Can someone in the comment section let me know? Because he might wear a West Bank chain.
Them a say them bad.
I prop gun them. Oh no, don't take them serious. I prop gun them. Prop.
Bad. They know them a say them bad.
Oh, not sound bad. What kind of bad? Bad mind? Bad energy? What not bad? Yeah. Production team, what I deal with? Big up on yourself, man. What can I say? Malie Dan style is different, bro. Malie Dan does like even though he must spit or he must spit, it's like him a whisper it. Oh, them I say them bad. Right for any situation. Like, him style is different, dog. You see me? Yeah. The beat I also fit him voice. Also, the beat fit him voice. Yeah. So I enjoy that one, yeah. I enjoy that one, yeah. Malie, big up yourself. Six Boss, big up yourself. Grey G, big up on yourself. Production team, big up on yourself. So the production team was what? Chad. Chad was there. Who was there? Chad. It was produced by Automatic. Big up yourself, Automatic. Dan Sky Record. Big up yourself. CMA and Naka. Edited by Naka. Good editing. Good editing, brother. Big up yourself. Anyway, this time I'm gonna leave the one I write to say. If you enjoy the one I watch, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new. And yeah, man, I'm catching you in the next one.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, rip connect.